Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full video tour of this 2017 edition Volkswagen Tiguan R line that we do currently have in our stock. As you can see, it does come complemented in this gorgeous white exterior, and with your 2-litre diesel engine it is ideal for those covering extra miles. With just 2 previous owners it does come in top condition. And for any further information, please give our team a call on 01204 828 619. So starting at the front of the vehicle, you do have your front parking sensors alongside your automatic headlamp activation with your LED daytime running technology to ensure you do always have a full illumination of the road ahead. As we move round to the side, they do sit on these stunning 20-inch Suzuka alloys, which really do highlight that overall exterior finish. Moving just above, you do have your electronically folding door mirrors, as you can see like so. Complemented by your R-Line exterior body kit, giving it that sporty edge. You do also have your stylish roof rails just above there. And behind your 65% tinted glass, you do have a very comfortable part leather part cloth interior. So extremely comfortable for all travelling passengers there, along with your handy pull-out armrests. You do have your climate control just in the centre there, along with your 12-volt power outlet. And plenty of leg space. You do also have your 2 pull-out trays as well. As this is a 2017 edition, it has covered 73,384 miles. Round to your rear, you will find your parking sensors once again, giving you a helping hand when parking up. And inside your boot area, you do have plenty of space in here, so it is ideal, especially for those larger travel plans, as you can fit several large suitcases in here, or alongside all your day-to-day items as well. If we move along now into your front interior features, you are complemented by your multifunctional leather-trimmed steering wheel, which does sit just alongside your central touch display screen with your surrounding audio controls. You do have your climate dials just below there, and as you can see just below, this is an automatic transmission for a much smoother drive. Just opposite you, 2 front seats are again part leather, part cloth with your embroidered R badge in there, so very comfortable. You do also have a full glass sunroof just above with your electronic shade covering, really opening up the vehicle in the summer. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So we now take a seat in the front. I will show you all the top key technology features included. If we start just to your right hand side of your driver's door first of all, you will find all 4 of your electronic window controls, along with your outer wing mirror adjustments, which does include your heated function there, ideal in the winter months. And of course you do have your central locking system located just next to your door handle, along with your exterior lighting just behind your steering wheel. On the right hand side of your steering wheel you will find your audio controls, including your voice recognition, along with your options just to your left hand side, which does include your adaptive cruise control for that advanced feature. You can also use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display things such as your driving status, or you can even display what music you're listening to on there. And speaking of audio, you do have plenty of radio stations on your central touch screen, or if you wish you can also connect your own smartphone device in seconds, and this will give you the option to make hands-free safe phone calls or of course listen to your own desired playlist. This vehicle does even come with your built-in satellite navigation along with all your traffic updates, so it is ideal especially in those busier periods. You do of course have all your points of interest, so you can quite easily navigate yourself to your closest petrol station. You do have all your options on here, including your performance monitoring system to make sure the vehicle is in top condition, especially if you are going on those longer journeys. You do have your parking pilot, which will come up on your screen if you do pop the car into reverse, giving you a helping hand when parking up. Then as we move just below, you do have your dual climate control, so you can use the dials either side to alternate your temperature throughout the vehicle. You can sync or unsync this. And as part of your winter package, you do also have your 2 front heated seats, which do come with 3 different temperatures. So it is ideal in the winter months alongside your front and rear heated windscreens. Moving just below, you do have your 12-volt power outlet along with a handy USB port. And alongside your automatic gear controls, you do have your handy electronic parking brake, along with your different driving modes, including your eco, normal and sport modes, along with the plenty of storage compartments just below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01204 828 619, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date with all our Motor Match videos.